Yeah, what's that? Here, kuya, kuya. No, Zizi.
How many eggs? How many eggs? Where is it? Okay, stop now. Too much excitement for the Mark.
Baho. Oh, Marco, kasi is touching the what kind of animal is that?
I don't know.
Hamster? I don't know. What's that?
Let's go to the chickens.
Iguana. I think so.
I don't know if that is the same. Say cheese, okay. Say cheese to daddy. Iba naman ang translation.
Gusto ni siya nawan. Marco, look at kasi oh. Mark, look at kasi Mark. What's that? Wow. What's that? No, later go with Kuya. Go with Kuya first. Go with Kuya first. Huh? Kasi come here, anak. Come here. Go with Kuya. Saan? Saan? Go with Kuya. Go with Kuya first. Go with Kuya first. Go with Kuya.